Hello everyone, welcome to BotTales Lab. Today I am going to teach you how to use switches and how to connect different component to switch on Tinkercad. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, just search for Tinkercad. After opening Tinkercad, log into your account. Open your account. And after your account get open, go in create option, search for circuit. After going to circuit option, here click on all and search for breadboard. Take any breadboard from here. I am taking small one. After that, search for battery as we will need battery. Search for battery, rotate it, or connect positive terminal to the positive power rail, negative terminal to the negative power rail, as it will be easy for you. Now search for LED. Why LED? Because now we will control our LED with the help of switch. So take LED here. We will connect it anywhere according to any DC cathode, that is negative, that is anode, that is positive. Now as we are using LED, as I always said you, we will need resistor. So let's take resistor, take it here, rotate it, connect one end of the resistor to the negative side and negative side of the LED, and connect the another end of resistor to the ground, that is negative of battery. Now we will need switch. So search for switch. Here in this project we will use push button. So that this is look like push button. Take this push button. Push button bit of 4 terminal 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B. Always use diagonal component of push button. That is diagonal terminal of push button. So to this terminal connect positive, that is power rail. Every component need positive and negative. Here we will apply positive, and here now connect this, that is positive terminal of battery, connect to the diagonal of push button, that is here diagonal terminal where we applied power. Push button of 4 terminal in which these two are internally connected, these two are internally connected. So we have to connect this side of push button to this side of push button. Okay, that is left side of push button to the right side of push button. Okay. Now here our project is complete. Now we will start simulation, and after pressing button you can see that our LED is getting on. It's same as our house appliances. What we will look like, our house switch will be there. We will press switch, after that our LED will get on. We will turn it off, our LED will get off. So here if we are pressing switch, LED is getting off. We are releasing switch, LED is getting off. Okay. Now let's come on summary of what we learned today. So we learn how to connect switch to LED, how to operate LED using switch. So firstly take breadboard, take battery, connect positive terminal to the positive rail, negative terminal to the negative, and later we took LED, resistor and push button switch. In push button 4 terminal will be there, out of which always that these two terminal will be connected to each other, these two terminal will be connected to each other. Always we have to connect diagonal terminal. So we took resistor, we connect one end of the resistor to the negative of LED and another of the resistor to the negative of power supply. Then took push button, we connect one terminal of the push button to the positive of a battery, and we connect positive terminal of the LED to the another terminal of push button, and we start a simulation. We can see that as we are pressing this push button, our LED is getting on. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.